Hi guys, in this video, we're gonna create cube. So it's simple. First, start with HTML, create div, and name it cube open. Now inside it, create div and name it cube. Okay, now we need 3 div. First is cube top, next cube bottom, and last is cube left right. Inside cube left right, add 4 span for create left and right of cube, and add style in span by adding this. Okay, now let's go to CSS to give width and height in background. I start with cube open, add position, width, height, Z index, and transition also. And margin 0, auto to become center. Okay. Now let's style cube, add position absolute. Now add top left to give it position for our cube. Add width, height, and transform style to create 3D. Now let me add background and transition. Okay, I'm gonna start with cube left right. Add position and top left. And let me add height, width. And again, let me add transform style. Now let's go to style, span of cube. So I'm gonna copy this, paste it, and now let me add transform to add calc. So I'm gonna rotate Y. And translate as. Now let me add background, linear greedy net. First color. Now for next color. Okay, let me add little border radius. And last thing, transition for hover. Okay, here we go. Let me add style for cube top and cube bottom. So I'm gonna add position, add top, and let me add width and height. Okay, let me add background. And for box shadow. Let be this. Okay, this is our box shadow. And let be inset. Okay, let me add transform, rotate text, and translate as. Add border radius and transition. Okay, now for box bottom, copy paste it. No need to change anything. Just change top and transform translate as. Okay, now let me start animation. Add animation. Cube. 15s. Linear infinite. Okay, keyframes cube. %, and 100%. I'm gonna add rotate X, rotate Y, and rotate. Now let me add rotate Y and rotate in 100%. Here we go. We create cube. Now let me add last thing, hover, for cool effect. So I'm gonna add transform for our hover. Cube top and cube bottom. I'm gonna change top in hover. And we get this. Hope you like it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and add comment. Thanks for watching.